Imagine getting arrested for having a pen in your pocket.
Why?
In 2023, over 200 people faced charges for carrying innocent-looking gadgets that were actually illegal. Today, we're exposing 5 everyday devices that could land you in handcuffs. And trust me, the stories I'm about to share will make you think twice about those cool gadget purchases. That nervous feeling you get going through airport security. Some of these banned gadgets might be in your drawer right now, and trust me, they make your old fidget spinner look like a baby toy. In fact, last month alone, TSA confiscated over 500 seemingly innocent devices that turned out to be illegal weapons in disguise. 5. Police lights. Ever dreamed of feeling like a cop? Well, these aftermarket police lights might make that dream come true, along with your worst nightmare. While they look identical to real emergency vehicle lights, installing them on your car is like wearing a "Please Arrest Me" t-shirt to a police station. One guy learned this the hard way when he thought it would be funny to add them to his family minivan. Plot twist: the cops didn't share his sense of humor. But here's what makes these lights particularly dangerous. In 2023, there were over 200 reported incidents of criminals using these fake police lights to impersonate law enforcement. That's why getting caught with them can land you up to 5 years in prison. Even if you're just trying to look cool, you could be charged with impersonating a police officer, a felony that'll follow you longer than those blue lights ever could. 4. Pistol lighter. Imagine pulling this out to light a candle at a restaurant. Sure, it's just a lighter, but try explaining that to everyone diving under their tables. These deceptive devices perfectly replicate the look of real firearms, making them a one-way ticket to serious legal trouble. The scariest part? They're so realistic that even trained professionals can't tell the difference at first glance. Here's a wild story. Last year in Miami, a street vendor nearly caused a mass panic when he tried to light his grill with one of these. 3 SWAT teams responded, and the poor guy spent 48 hours in jail before they sorted everything out. The kicker? He bought it at a local flea market, thinking it was just a novelty item.
No, they don't. It doesn't look good.
These lighters are now classified as replica weapons in 43 states, carrying penalties of up to $5,000 in fines and potential jail time. 3. 50,000 miladiu handheld laser. Remember when laser pointers were just for annoying your cat? This isn't that. This 50,000 milliwatt monster is classified as a burning laser for good reason. It's powerful enough to cause instant eye damage and even start fires. Think about it, a device that fits in your pocket but packs enough power to burn through plastic. One college student found out the hard way when his cool presentation pointer ended up being powerful enough to leave a mark on his classroom's projector screen. The FBI has classified these high-powered lasers as directed energy weapons.
Of course it is. Of course it is.
Just last year, there were 6,852 reported incidents of these lasers being pointed at aircraft, with each case carrying a potential $250,000 fine and up to 20 years in federal prison. One pilot temporarily lost vision during landing when someone thought it would be fun to see how far it could reach. Number 2, stun gun phone case. Is that the new iPhone case? Nope, it's 7 times more powerful than a standard police-issue stun gun, cleverly disguised as a phone case. While self-defense is important, this takes it to a whole new and illegal level. These cases deliver enough voltage to take down a linebacker, which explains why they're banned in multiple states. One woman accidentally activated hers in her purse at a mall. Let's just say her shopping trip ended with more excitement than she bargained for. The voltage these cases pack is no joke. We're talking about 50 million volts compared to the standard 7 million volts in police tasers.
And also,
They've been linked to several accidental discharges on airplanes, leading to emergency landings and some very unhappy federal agents. One teenager found out about the ban the hard way when his case discharged in his pocket during a school metal detector check. Spoiler alert, explaining that to the principal was shocking in more ways than one. Number 1, hand grenade power bank. And finally, the mother of all bad ideas, a power bank designed to look exactly like a hand grenade, because nothing says charge my phone quite like military explosives, right? Try explaining to TSA that you're just trying to keep your Instagram stories going. The best part? Some genius actually tried taking this through airport security. Spoiler alert, his vacation started with a very different kind of trip. What makes this gadget particularly problematic is its growing popularity among social media influencers. Customs officials have seized over 10,000 of these in the past year alone. One YouTuber faced federal charges after bringing one to a convention. Turns out pulling out a fake grenade in a crowded space is still considered inciting panic, even if it's just charging your vlog camera. Remember folks, staying out of jail is way cooler than any of these gadgets. Next time you spot a suspiciously awesome device online, maybe Google item name plus legal status before hitting that buy button, because trust me, "but it looked cool" isn't a legal defense that's going to impress anyone in court. And if y'all think these stories are wild, wait until you hear about the new wave of illegal tech hitting the market in 2024. But that's a story for another video. Drop a comment below if you've ever accidentally owned one of these gadgets, or if you know someone who learned about their illegality the hard way.